Hello, and welcome to Digital Nutrients. This is your place to learn real English, step by step, with clear guidance, real examples, and support in your language. In this lesson, don't just watch, speak, repeat, and answer out loud with the following speaker. Now, if you're ready to learn real English and build your confidence, you're in the right place. Now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started.
Hello, welcome.
Let's practice expressing ideas clearly in English.
Please answer these questions.
What kind of future do you want for yourself?
So, you can say,
I want a future with more opportunities.
I want to keep learning and improving.
I want to build a better life for myself and my family.
Very nice. Now, here is another question.
Why is it important to speak with confidence?
You can say,
Confidence helps me express myself.
Confidence helps me grow in my work and daily life.
excellent work. Now say this.
I am becoming more confident because I practice English with purpose.
Wonderful.
Stay with me, enjoy the lesson, and continue growing your English.
Great work today. If you practice with us, you're already improving. Now, if this lesson helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment of at least one sentence that you learned today. Your comments help me create more lessons for you. So keep going, and we'll see you in the next lesson.